Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. First message for today is under his teaching, every relationship becomes a lesson in love. When you meet anyone, remember it is a holy encounter. As you see him, you will see yourself. As you treat him, you will treat yourself. As you think of him, you will think of yourself. Never forget this, for in him, you will find yourself or lose yourself. That is why it is extremely important to unconditionally love yourself. When you love yourself unconditionally, you are able to express that unconditional love in all other relationships. Let's see the second card. Forge, don't follow. Pave a new path. Be the leader you wish you had. If you wait until the path is perfectly paved, you won't be forging your own path, and you will likely not even take the first step. Don't let a small detail like being unable to find someone to show you the way be the reason you don't step forward and lead. Let it be the reason that you do. The most courageous and needed leaders are the ones who don't wait for permission or until the morning they wake up feeling ready. They take a deep breath, put one foot in front of the other, and figure it out as they go. They don't wait for someone to lead them, they lead themselves. This is a card for leaders. You're here to pave a path that hasn't been walked before, to go first and lead the way for others who are calling you in. If you feel misrepresented in the media, step forward for all those who also feel misrepresented. If no one is speaking out on the topics you feel passionate about, share your unique voice. There's no one on earth who comes close to possessing your unique combination of skills, gifts, and life experience. Don't look to those who have come here before you to work out your path. Leaders must forge their own. Do it for your daughter. Do it for the younger you. Do it for the leaders who will follow. When you go first, you make it easier for others to follow your lead. Forge, don't follow. This is a starseed soul inquiry card. So the inquiry is, how are you being called to forge rather than follow? How can you be the leader you wish you had? Wow, this is so powerful. Especially now the earth is in ascension and there are a few of us who are talking about it. The earth itself is moving to a new vibration. And that is why it is so important for each of us to raise the vibration and shine our light within. Express our authentic self, express the truth. And many times these are all uncharted waters. Everyone's experience is different, and you will need to navigate on your own. You might not have leaders, you will need to be the leader. This is the message exactly to forge your own path. Now, this time, actually, two cards came out from this deck, Oracle deck. The card is trust the timing, trust the wave you came in on. Time is not running out. So often those who feel like they are here for a reason sense that time is running out. And they spend their life worrying that they might miss their moment. But the only way to miss your life or your moment is to spend your time worrying about missing it. It's never too late to answer a calling, and you're never too old. The tides of your life are magnificently orchestrated to come in and out in perfect unison. Don't race ahead and ride a wave that was never meant for you. You will waste your precious time and energy when instead You could be enjoying your life. Everything has a season, and you're being called to trust the one you are in. Don't let impatience, comparison, competition, or paranoia disturb the seeds. It seems that everyone has anxiety these days, constantly scanning for something they might have missed or a possible threat. Keeping our mind and body pointed in the same direction as our soul is near impossible at such reactive speeds. Right now, you are being reminded to take a breath and trust the wave you came in on, to trust the season you are in. Time isn't running out. There is plenty of time, there is no rush, and it's never too late. This is again a starseed soul inquiry card, and the inquiry is, how can you trust the timing of your life a little more? So, these are the messages. As a leader, you need to forge the path ahead, and at times you may get frustrated that it is not going as per the timing and the planning you envisaged or envisioned. This is a world where we plan a lot, and when we are going in a new path, when we are going in a new direction, which is completely not taken by others, it may take its own time, and time is actually an elusive construct. Right now, when we are ascending, we are actually going beyond the construct of time and space, and we are co-creating the reality at the energetic level first, and then in the 3D. So the time may differ, and that is why patience is required when you are forging a new path. Beautiful messages. So that's all for today. Lots of love.